Yo, what is up, guys? It is your boy Andrew here, back with another video, guys. Today, we're going to be building my PC. Yeah, all the parts came in. I just got the case like 10 seconds ago or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, I'm sorry I haven't really uploaded in a while. I don't know, Black Ops 4 multiplayer is just so much harder than veteran bots. So yeah, but guys, once I build this PC, I'm just gonna be grinding Black Ops. I've been at the beach twice. I just got back yesterday. And yeah, let's just move on to the PC. So for starters, the specs. We have a 750 watt gold rated power supply from EVGA, semi-modular. We have an Asus ROG Strix B450F gaming. We don't need this. It's the motherboard. We don't need this either. Radeon RX 590, 8 gig Sapphire Nitro SE, 500 gig NVMe SSD from Western Digital, WD Blue. Ryzen 5 2600. I found such a good deal on this. It has 6 cores and stuff, 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance LPX, DDR4 3000. I think the latency is 15. And then NZXT H500 matte black and blue, not the I version. I was going to wait for the H510, but I didn't feel like waiting. But yeah, guys, on to the PC build now. So guys, I just finished building the computer. It took me about an hour and a half, at most, an hour and a half. But now, time to see if it turns on. Where's the... I see lights. You ready? It boots. But does it post? Does it post? Come on. Wait. Oh, that looks beautiful. VGA. Come on. Come on, post. Post. Doesn't say no. What do you mean no signal? Hold up. It posts! Yes! Yes! It posts! Yes! Yes! AMD Ryzen 5 2600, 6-core processor, total memory. I have to overclock that to whatever, 3000. Alright, new CPU install. Please enter setup, configure system, F1 to run setup. Yes! Yes, I love. Oh, yes, baby. That is my new PC, guys. Smash like. Alright. Alright, guys. I want you guys to smash like and just... This is crazy. See you guys in the next one. Alright, so guys, we're here at Office Depot. Something I'm not really overlooked, but I was lied to about. Newegg said that the motherboard that I bought came with Wi-Fi, but it didn't. So we're here at Office Depot buying a Wi-Fi adapter. And yeah, once I put it in, install all my drivers, overclock. I should probably be able to get a nice overclock. But yeah, guys,
See you then.
So guys, that is it. I have most of the stuff downloaded, Windows up and running. Just a couple days later, I kind of forgot about everything. PC, which by the way looks amazing. I kind of like the whole black and blue theme. Want to eventually upgrade this later on. But yeah, guys, hope y'all enjoy. Remember to leave a like and subscribe. And I'm gonna upload more frequently. I know I haven't been able to do it recently. But yeah, guys, your boy Andrew out.